Okay, hey. So, you start your video saying things like, with a lot of hand gestures, which I can appreciate, but here we go. So yeah, religion will fade and science took its place, and then science will fade and something else will take its place. But then, as if that wasn't enough, then you say, there's a sixth dimension, because I feel like there is, which fails on so many levels. To say like science will make way for the next thing, which is quantum physics, a branch of science, I didn't really get that. And then to go on with your little piece about you feel like that's the way it is, so that's the way it is. Do you not realise that the thing that was wrong with religion was how it was completely based on faith and, you know, how you felt inside rather than any sort of hard evidence, you know? And so science came along, which was based on empirical research, because by that point people had realised that empiricism beats rationalism, which makes a lot of sense, you know, because with rationalism, people like Aristotle could go around saying, you know what, women have less teeth than men, when in fact they don't. That's just what he thought about, therefore it was true. No, instead it's much better to count the goddamn teeth, and then you find out how many there are. So yeah, science won't be replaced by anything else. Science may progress, and the ideas we hold now may change, but in no way will science fade away to make way for something else. And if it does make way to what you're talking about, then I'll probably shoot myself. Okay, so your next point, I believe, was something along the lines of, dude, we only age because of gravity. Time is a byproduct of gravity. Me. You clearly know nothing of what you speak. This is, I don't know if it's amusing. It is amusing, but then, I don't know. So yeah, gravity does warp space-time to some degree, but it slows down time relative to if we weren't in the relative well. And also another thing that warps space-time is travelling at high speeds. However, in both these situations, time stays the same relative to the person experiencing the time. Okay, so two people are travelling at relative speeds. Time seemingly is the same for both of them, However, bring someone else into the equation going at different speeds to those two guys, then there is relative time difference, but for both participants it will not seem that way. Time is just a measurement. It's not something that's untrue, like you seem to think it is. And when you go and say like, that's why people say stay grounded, it's because they don't want you to go into other dimensions. That's just kind of funny and sort of solidifies the fact you're like a stoner retard. But yeah, don't be getting with this science will fade away until I can think up things that are true because I feel like they are, because that's just devolving back into a kind of religion. So good luck with that, have fun. Bye.